Hi, my name is Kenny Schollers. I'm the house pro at 10 Penn Alley in Wilmington, North Carolina, and we're here in the pro shop. We're going to talk about the best way to take care of your bowling shoes. If you get into bowling, and then you're eventually going to want to buy your own bowling shoes as opposed to using the house shoes that the house provides. The best way to take care of these is you just clean them pretty much like you would a tennis shoe. Just get some warm soapy water and take just a damp cloth and wipe the outsides and keep them clean. What I like to do is use a brush to bring the nap up on the sole, and the sole's made for sliding, so that you want to bring the nap up so that it makes the slide a whole lot more consistent and a whole lot easier. And another good trick is when you put the shoes in your bowling bag, you want to leave the zipper unzipped just a bit, and that helps the shoes air out after you get done wearing them, and it makes them last a whole lot longer. So remember, when you go to clean your bowling shoes, just take some warm soapy water with a damp rag, just lightly go over them a little bit, just take care of them like you would a tennis shoe, and air them out. That's the big thing. It'll make them last a whole lot longer if you do that. Get you a nice brush, wire brush, to bring the nap up, and you'll never have a problem with your slide. And that's pretty much how you take care of your bowling shoes. It's simple, and they'll take good care of you if you take good care of them.